Today we're going to be sharing with you how a knit skirt can fit into your existing wardrobe. So if you love what you see, please head to our website, which is motto.com.au. And if you're watching after we're live, please put hashtag replay in the comments.
And just in case you don't know who we are, Faye and Lauren, owners designers of Motto Fashion, mother, daughter, and mum.
Hello.
Daughter. Yeah, I take full credit of how she's turned out. I actually said that yesterday and I really liked it. I liked it. Anyway, so, and when social
only when I'm having a good day. If I'm being a grump,
yeah,
she's like, you're so much like your dad.
Yeah, you're like your dad. Go on.
Yeah.
Yeah. So on social platforms, all social platforms at 4 o'clock every weekday because we like it.
Yes.
We want to share our fashion stuff because it's so much fun.
And it gives us a chance to try everything on,
Oh,
style
yeah.
them. It is a lot of fun. Okay, now we've got a lot of new things today. We've actually got 5 new things. We only have 4 of them here because the matching top to this beautiful brown skirt is unavailable for me today, but it is available for all you guys to buy. So we've got the knit set in the black.
We've got this version, so I'm going to come really up close because it has a lot of beautiful detail. Have a look at that. Oh, look at my jewellery sparkling there. So it has this, maybe I'll pop that off. This beautiful pattern right through.
That.
Okay, and I might just pop it off so you can see the whole style like this. Pretty cool. What's that there? Oh, that's my belt coming through. So it does have a beautiful pattern, front and back all over. It is fairly long. No, that wasn't me. And yeah, and you can zhuzh the way you want to zhuzh. So the way I'm going to do it is a little bit off shoulder. I want to show off my belt, so I'm going to do a little bit of a side tuck there. And then I thought I would wear the jacket. It's disappeared, yeah. There's only very few of these left, but Lauren's going to show you. I'm not going to put it on there. I might. I know, this is going to be crazy, but I'm wearing an 18.
It's an 18 jacket. There's only 18s and I think 120.
Yeah, this is all we've got left, so I'm going to show you that doesn't matter what size you are, you can do whatever.
Especially in a crop jacket because you can carry the volume because it's not too long.
Hey, it doesn't look bad, does it?
Yeah. No,
once you zhuzh, you can find it does work, and I think this makes a pretty cool outfit. I've added this belt because it's cool. Added bling because it's cool. Gee, did you see the bright lights? I don't know if that affects social media. Oh, yeah, sorry. Must be the shine of the bling there. So, yeah, so this makes a fabulous outfit, but I do want to show you, this is only a few, but we've got something that's coming in its place tomorrow.
Yes.
Yeah, so Lauren will show you that. And that's my outfit. And I love the knit skirt. I mean, the knit skirt is probably going to be easier to see on your This also has a bit of a pattern through it. Anyway, Lauren will show you that one as I'll get changed.
All right, cool. So one way to wear your knit skirt is it's a no-brainer, right? It's just go with the matching set. And matching sets are really, really trending right now. So don't be afraid to keep on wearing those matching sets in your wardrobe. They're really easy to style. So this is I think we've called it Cocoa, the Cocoa colour. Again, Faye's jumper does come in the Cocoa. I just don't have it with me right now, but it is available to be shipped. So don't stress about that. Now I've got it styled with an orange jumper and we do have this beautiful new orange coat. This is one of those coats that we've got a wait list as long as our arm because we had an influencer event. People came, this was like their favourite jacket. There has been a certain celebrity who has also requested it. She has orange hair. Does anyone know who she is? You can guess. I'm not going to say her name in case we're not allowed to. But so I think it's not going to last long, and I do believe there's very limited quantities. So it is the one with our zips in the side. It's got pockets. I'm wearing a 10. This fabric of this coat is not what you think.
No, it's so soft. It's like
stretchy.
your cardi.
It's actually stretchy.
It's like your cardi, ladies.
Look how stretchy it is. It's like it's a coatigan.
Coatigan, yes, of course it is.
Coatigan, but it does look like a coat. So now what I've done, if you leave the sleeves long, like that, I feel like it's not as stylish. What I'm going to do is I'm turning the cuffs back, and it's not lined, so you get extra stretch. And then I'm going to wear my long sleeve knit underneath. So I'm kind of showing my wrists, but not actually showing my wrists.
I love it, and I love it with sneakers, Lauren. It's a perfect outfit.
Oh yeah, I love a knit skirt with sneakers. And then I've got my zip necklace over the top, and I am using the chain extender. Where is it? I think that's it somewhere there. That part's an extension, and that's really good to get when you want to wear it over the top of your funnel necks and turtlenecks and just have a little bit more room. I might quickly take this off just to show you the outfit because Who would have thought brown and orange?
I know, it's like such a
kind of
fantastic
liking it,
combo,
though.
but you wouldn't have thought, yeah? It looks pretty good.
And this is just the new orange
Nice.
jumper. Came out yesterday.
So nice. And we love that jumper with the coat. That's why we had to show both again. Or did we show the coat yesterday?
No, the coat just dropped today.
Yeah.
Okay, Samantha saying, is the neck tight on the jumper? No, not at all. Not at all. It's nice and loose.
Sam, we
really
haven't seen
comfy.
him for a while,
Yeah, we haven't
haven't
seen Sam for a while. Okay, now we've got other questions. Catherine saying, love the skirt. Will it come in more colours? Yes, it will. We've got a yellow and a red. I think they're about 2 weeks away. We've got a purple and a hot pink. Off the top of my head, maybe a raspberry.
Yeah, maybe. But they all have a matching jumper to go with them, so
Yes.
you'll be safe in getting the outfit together. It'll be so cool.
Yes,
Yeah,
that's right. Oh, I love that.
I actually was going to wear this over the jumper, but then I thought, look, I'll show you just with the cami under it because it actually looks really good like this. It's very classic. I've left the belt on, and you can do your man jacket over the top and wear this to work so easily because you might be a little bit hot wearing the jumper and the jacket. If you want to keep your jacket on, this is the way to do it, and it looks really quite classic, doesn't it?
Yeah, I really like that. I think one of the
Love
easiest
it.
way to...
Yeah, it's so easy and just black with this fantastic classic blazer. Even now, look, it's feminised by having a little bit of lurex thread through it. I don't know if you can pick it up. I'll try and get really close. Actually, I must admit, sometimes we've got to show things really up close because people should know by now that we're doing a live at 4. They'd probably forget.
Oh, seriously, my phone is meant to be on Do Not Disturb, but really,
You forgot, maybe.
it's not working properly. Now, someone had just asked me, I'm so sorry, I didn't see your name because I actually got way too excited because I was able to do it for you, about the orange jumper with this. I would totally wear this. If you just want that little bit more brightness, this is the orange jumper you're going to get. So the one I had on before had a bit more of like a dusty, like almost a marl effect to it, even though it is bright. This is like really bright.
Can
And
we show it together?
yes, I
I
can.
don't get
Yeah,
it.
you
I
grab
don't
it.
get it.
And I know you didn't ask, but just if you wanted to see the orange coat over the top, this it's a good combo as well.
So just the difference in shade between this one. See how one's dusted off and one's brightened? That's the difference, really. And either or suits to your taste, really.
Yeah. Actually, this must be Sam. You've come on the perfect day because
It's
Sam
all right.
loves orange.
That's it.
And we haven't had orange for a while, actually.
Oh,
Oh, you're to you next. Hang on. I just had an extra. I had an extra outfit.
oh, did you?
Yeah. I just want to quickly put on my actual outfit.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Oh,
So
that was the extra. Of
that
course.
was just the extra. So I wanted to show you guys a bit of a neutral look. So this is that same jumper. And I'm doing all kind of like tonal browns. So this is the orange jumper I had on before, but in the ivory, I've got the brown skirt. I love the shape of this jumper because if you want to do a little front tuck, I find it's really easy. You just tuck that point in and then you get that. Right?
I usually do it the other way. That's interesting.
Oh, do you?
isn't it?
Oh, well,
but
you
it
can
becomes
do
a
it this
bit longer.
way.
If you do it the other way, it's just a little bit longer because it's the down curve, whereas the way Lauren was doing it was making it a bit shorter. I guess it's the same difference. But
Same difference, you just got to
Yeah.
find your fave, right?
There we
And
go.
then what I'm going to do now, this jacket here is the one that's in the 18, and there's hardly any left. But I do love the neutral and the pop of print.
Looks fantastic.
But if you really want this jacket and you're like, I'm at 12 and I don't want it that big, tomorrow we've got this coming. It's not released yet, so you can't get it yet, but you can get it tomorrow. And I think that is absolutely gorge.
It's totally gorge. I mean, animal is still such a big thing. You know, animal never goes out of style. Never. Even when it's not out, when it's not in, it's in, if you know what I mean. So bear that in mind as you're buying.
And I've also got the cuff. I've just turned back the cuffs just so I get a bit of wrist on show, and I'm keeping myself warm with the fluffy knit. Cute, yeah?
Yeah, and all the neutral looks so good together. And I like that because you can, you know what, when you're cold, you can just pop your collar up and look really stylish. And there's not too much bulk because it's a crop jacket.
And that's it all done up.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, cute. Okay. Thank you.
Very cute.
Thank you.
I thought I'd show you a different knit with a skirt so you know that it doesn't actually have to match, even though we're saying today everything has a match. But let's say you bought this one instead. It doesn't match, but looks sensational together. I'm just showing you how it can work. Oh, that brightened up, didn't it? That's interesting how the camera's all... Oh, wow, you can really see the print on this here. It's hand-painted, you know, one of my original designs. Okay, lean back. Beautiful crochet knit, and wear it with any rib skirt in a knit, which looks fantastic. By the way, this is a really heavy knit. Doesn't show your bulges because it's very chunky and it's weighty, so it's warm. Would you say that? So wear it with some boots. I mean,
yes.
I could actually...
Have you shown everyone how to do the top roll waistband if it's a bit long?
No, that's a great idea. I think I will, but I'll also, I think, pop on cowboy boots. Oh, I've got a chain on, so I won't zip them up, but you'll still get the gist. You'll still get the gist. There we go. Look at that with cowboy boots. Have a look on them. That looks good.
Oh, yeah, I love that.
Flesh showing there, and that looks really good. Okay, so this is a wee bit long for me. So what I've done, I'll just unravel. It comes with the elastic already turned in. Actually, you can see the darting there nicely too. You see those lines there? That's the darting, which really helps fit your body shape. So what I did, I turned it in. I think we've got too many lights on. Is this annoying for everybody? I'm so sorry, ladies. It's a bit bright, isn't it? I'll go back a little bit more to try and get the colour right. And then I just did it one more time. And it's really comfortable. And that just brought it up so you can see my ankles. And it's actually quite nice that way. And you can easily still do a bit of a tuck because it's not too bulky. I'll show you how it's not too bulky. There we go. And that looks pretty good. But what I also want to show you is this does not have any pink in it. I want to pop my pink coat on because you need to know that when you buy a coat, it actually goes, oh, this would work with you. It actually goes with everything in your wardrobe. And this pink check coat looks sensational with something like this. Look at that. That looks pretty good, doesn't it? Oh, I like my boots. They're really cool, even though mine's too big.
Yeah, they do look really
big
good.
Foot, but don't look at it that way. Look at it this way. Do
Yeah,
you want
I
to pop
like
this
that.
on, or do you want another coat?
No, I've
to
got a
pop on?
different coat.
Okay, and I'm also going to show you, maybe I should show that check orange coat too. What do you think?
Yeah, why not?
Okay, I will. That was a bit cool. Yeah, why not?
Yeah, cool. Okay. Yeah.
You're
Yeah,
too
sure.
busy.
I'm too busy trying to get my outfit right.
Yeah, I know.
Worry about your own outfit, all right?
Of course, of course. So I'll pop this check. Oh, you knocked down the wall then. I missed you, but I got the wall. Did you notice
yeah,
that?
thank
And it went
God.
boom, 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 boom.
I just don't know why someone needs to go like this to get on the coat.
I've always done that.
I know, but why?
I
Just
don't
put it
know.
on like this.
I've never thought of
One
that.
sleeve in, one sleeve in. I just don't understand.
I don't know. I wonder where that
Why
comes
do you
from.
have to
Then
swing it?
psychologists out there, let me know what you think.
Yeah.
Anyway, so this is
Seriously.
this is what the check coat looks like. This was pretty cool, I've got to say. Totally different look to the pink coat, but love it anyway. Look at that.
Yeah, I like that. I
Love
think that's
that.
fun. Because you want it to be a bit oddie. Like, I feel like you want to go full on matching set, like head to toe orange, or you go totally unexpected.
different. Yeah, sure.
Yeah,
Totally
yeah, which
good.
is what I love. Okay, so I've gone a bit,
You're going a bit
I'm going to say I've
matchy.
gone high fashion. Not
You have.
Vogue, high fashion. Okay, so
You have.
now some of you are going to think, oh, yuck. But that's
Really?
the
Is
thing
that
with
what they're
fashion.
gonna think?
Sometimes
They're
I
gonna
like
think
it when people think, ooh, yuck, because I think
I'm
they
going
get
to
fooled.
think who yuck.
Okay, so I have on, well, just might be a bit of a stretch. Stretch the mind, because we've told you skirts and pants, dresses and pants, that vibe is coming in. Now, we're probably about a year before it's going to hit, but we're trendsetters, so that's what we like to do.
Oh, yeah, look at that.
So-
How amazing is that?
Exactly.
I love it.
See, she likes it.
Love it.
She loves it.
It's a real trend.
It is a trend. So I have on our split miracle pant in chocolate. I've got it, which, mind you, shapes my body quite nice. So I'm nicely held in. I've got the brown skirt on top with the side split, and I do love, oh, you lost an earring.
Lost an earring.
I do love sort of the split on the side and the split on the inner leg of the miracle pant. I've got a strappy shoe. I think in this instance you need to show a bit of toe. If you cover your foot, it might look a bit covered up. Then I have on, I've done our little midi Asana shirt, button to the collar. Then I've got this really big oversized coat. I don't know what size this coat is. I think it's bigger than a 10, but I like it. And then I've kept mine.
Is it a 12 or maybe a 14?
What is it? Can you check?
It's a 10.
Oh, okay. Just feels bigger for
There
some
you go,
reason.
it's a 10.
That's right. It might have been because I just had on the orange one and they just felt different, but they are different coats. I don't know what's going on here. done a bit of a funny twist. And then I've got my little necklace again on the outside. For winter, I really like doing my shirts up to the top button. All right, got a question. Fiona's saying I'm in between sizes for the skirt. What size do you recommend for a thicker waist but smaller bottom and thighs? Size up or down?
Say that again. So what do you recommend
She's in between sizes. Fiona's in between sizes. She has a thicker waist and smaller bottom and thighs.
That's
so should
me.
she size up or size down?
Yeah, well, I'd say
actually either or is
either
fine.
or, because I've got the 10 on and I'm finding the waist a little bit big on me, but still okay. You know
Yeah,
what I mean?
the
It's
waist
just
isn't
really
super
comfortable.
tight.
How tall are you?
Yeah, tell us your height,
Tell
Fiona.
us your height and we'll tell you.
Because sometimes we have a rule of thumb, and if you're 5'4", if you're in between sizes, if you're always the same size, ignore this comment. If you're in between sizes and you're 5'4" or taller, size up. If you're a shorty, 5'4" and under, or let's say under 5'4", which is us, size down. Just the proportions just seem to work better.
Yeah, it's all about the proportions. So sometimes it's about your height, not your weight.
Yes.
Or not your size, sorry.
Yeah, that's exactly right. Okay, can we put the orange coat on with Lauren's outfit? Deb?
Of course.
I can do anything for you, Deb. Anything.
But except
anything
else.
Except anything, yeah.
Other than fashion.
Other than this orange coat over this outfit. Oh, you've got another outfit on.
I've got another outfit on. Was I supposed to have?
I don't know.
Yeah. Well, I got it here, so I thought I would. Oh, look what I've done. I didn't mean to.
Oh, that's a fashion statement in itself.
It is, isn't it? Yeah.
Why not?
I'll cover it though, because it's not meant to be. There we go.
Oh, I like it.
Okay. You do?
I think it's cool.
It's cool.
Why not?
Well, I like that. That looks pretty good.
What do you reckon, Deb?
Let me see. It looks amazing. Absolutely sensational.
You know what? The only thing I don't like about this outfit is I don't like the pants. You need sneakers.
This is
No,
you know what? I actually love it like that because you've got the pants on. But if you take the pants off, you definitely need sneakers.
Oh, yes.
Maybe
Yes.
do it that way.
Yeah, totally. I might put the pink one on as well, just because why not? I like that. That's real boss.
It's real boss. I know the tie's a bit long, but you know sometimes I make them long for our models and then I don't undo them. I need to probably bring it up and then tuck the other side in. But I don't mind it like this. It's still pretty cool. Look, it is cool. Cool outfit.
You're so cool.
Cool. Yeah, and this is my boss look with a bit of an edge. I'll leave my boots on even though I feel a bit of a shorty.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, okay. I'll just do this and then you look tall in comparison.
Yeah, I'll do this.
Oh, yeah.
Really tall. Yeah.
Yeah. See, there you are.
That's it.
Hey, this outfit looks good too, yeah? And I've gone a bit
Looks amazing.
matchy-matchy, but it works.
It works. I love brown and pink. Love
Me
brown
too.
and orange.
Me
love
too.
grey and brown. Love black and brown.
I love black.
navy and
I
brown.
love pale blue and
Yeah,
brown. Just
pale
if you're
blue.
wondering.
Yeah, I mean, brown is probably one of those colours that goes with everything like black. Hey, goes with
Black
everything.
and brown.
Yeah, I said that. Amazing.
Oh.
Okay. Well, we're good. Well, I'm just doing boss. I don't know what I can say about this. Your big jacket with your tie and your shirt looks pretty amazing.
And you're all
Doesn't it?
done.
And
Set.
all done. Set. Yeah.
Set,
one
set,
earring
set.
and all. The other one fell off.
Yeah, and different coloured armbands. See?
Hey, yeah, I'm a bit of a
I like it.
eclectic today. But
It's like a
all good,
silver
hey?
earring and a gold earring. I think it's cool. It's a vibe. It's like just wearing
Done
one
that.
earring. Like,
Yeah.
you don't
Yeah,
need two.
Why not? Yeah. Yeah. Like if I do this, look, if I do this, look at that, all of a sudden one earring looks really good. See?
I've had a
Did you
request.
Yep.
Hang on. Hold on. Hold the line.
Hold the line.
The line.
Hold the line. Oh yeah, of course, that would be amazing.
Mary. I'm doing this for Mary.
Hello, Mary.
Hi, Mary.
Yeah.
Hang on.
This looks good.
Just doing it up. All right, so I'm going to do a belt for Mary, and I've picked the Motto logo belt.
Oh, I thought Mary picked that belt. I thought that's
Oh,
very
no,
clever, Mary, because you know
no.
your stuff, but obviously...
No, well, Mary,
now,
she
you
might
know
have
your
been
stuff.
thinking. She
Yeah,
might have been
probably-
thinking this belt, but...
Probably thinking of this, but I love that because it's just cool. And you know what it does? It kind of hides your tummy a wee bit, don't you think?
100%.
Adding a belt.
Yeah.
It doesn't bring your tummy out, you know, it hides your tummy. As does this tie.
There you are.
As does anything that detracts from the tummy area. That's what it's about. Fashion illusion, that's what I say.
Okay. Have we been silly enough?
Yeah, we've been silly enough. I reckon
so.
we can
I think
so.
so.
Say goodbye.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Thanks,